Uttar Pradesh government has issued orders to seal the border between Delhi and Noida as a preventive measure in their fight against the coronavirus pandemic. The border is going to remain completely sealed until further notice. Now, Delhi is the second worst hit state with over 2,000 coronavirus positive cases. Gautam Budh Nagar, under which Noida falls, is one of the worst hit districts with nearly 100 cases. Now, the district magistrate has said that the health department has found that a number of people commuting between Delhi and Noida is worryingly high, and that many who've tested positive in Noida in recent days have had a connection with Delhi. Now, it seems exemptions will be made for only certain officials and goods carrying essential services. Sukirti joining us at this point. Sukirti, this then is Noida's decision to sort of seal off people coming in from Delhi because they feel Delhi is a bigger risk for them. Is that correct?
Well, yes, Ankita, the decision has been taken by the Noida administration, that is the UP government has taken this decision. Currently, we are standing at the Delhi-Noida border. This is the DND flyover that we are standing on, and we'll just show our viewers, give them a sense of what is really happening at the border. So here you see, these are RAF personnel. Along with that, this is the UP policemen that are deployed over here. All of these, including senior officials, are here personally checking each and every car that is passing from this point for the passes. So this is the Delhi end on which we are standing. This is just at the border, and the Noida end just begins from this point onward. So this is the UP police that is checking everybody that is coming from the Delhi end and wants to enter towards the Noida area. Now this car here says essential service, emergency, ONGC. Now every car, irrespective of whatever the labels on the windshield say, each and every person being asked to show their IDs. That man on the two-wheeler over there, you can see every two-wheeler also being asked to show what is the ID card, what is the purpose for which they want to go towards the Noida. If my camera person can just pan behind and show you, that's a car which says, which has the label police on its windshield, but even this car was asked to show its ID to the policeman. So we have been seeing essential goods carrying vehicles, they are being allowed. There were Zomato vehicles, trucks that were allowed to go ahead. There have been other media personnel cars that have been going in, and just for today, exemptions being made for media personnel. They can show their ID and pass, but from tomorrow they will have to get a special security pass made as well. Apart from that, the changes that have been made is that several essential services that were issued specific passes, people who used to carry food for food distribution at hospitals, etc., they had been issued passes earlier to take those food towards Delhi, but even many of those passes have been cancelled now. That is how essential services have been affected. New passes will be issued for them as well. So today it is just doctors who are being allowed. This is union ministry officials that are being allowed. They will also have to show their IDs, and any other officials who have special passes, they are being allowed. Many others here are not being allowed to. सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आपको एंट्री मिली? आप दिल्ली से नोएडा की तरफ जाना चाह रहे थे?
मेरे को मेरे अपने पापा की दवाई लेने जाना है, और मैं पंप पे काम करता हूँ। मेरे घर में मेरे भाभी भी है वहाँ गांव में, उनको लेने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। मेरे घर में रोटी बनाने के लिए मेरी मम्मी भी नहीं बना सकती अभी रोटी।
तो आप दिल्ली से नोएडा से दिल्ली की तरफ जा रहे थे, या दिल्ली से नोएडा जाना आपको?
ये जेवर के आगे मेरा गाँव है, मेरी भाभी रहती है चंडोस में। ये मेरा आधार कार्ड है, इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मैं पंप पे काम करता हूँ, सेक्टर 1 वाले पे।
इन्होंने इधर से उधर तक नहीं जाने दिया आपको?
मेरे को आगे नहीं जाने दिया। मेरे को जाना है और मेरे को अपने पापा की दवाई लेके आनी है। देखो, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा।
तो आप अपने मेडिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह भी साथ लेकर के चल रहे हैं। सो this man here, as you can see, Ankita, everybody very hassled. This man here showing us his medical document, saying that he needs to go and get medicines for his father. He needs to move ahead to Noida, but has not been allowed, despite telling the police officials all the problems that he has. He needs to get food items for his house as well, but this man who works at a petrol pump not being allowed at this point of time. People need to have special passes only to move ahead, or they need to be medical or medical professionals or government workers. As you can see, that man still pleading with the officials to let him go. But clearly the situation is going to become very problematic as the day progresses, because The guidelines have just been issued, and a lot of people will have to run from door to door in order to get the kind of pass that they need.
All right, Sukirti, thanks very much.